Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into targeting elements. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and where we will do some exercises to understand the target elements. So we are into the Visual Studio Code. Now let me generate some file for this exercises. I am going to generate one HTML file along with one CSS file which is residing into the CSS folder. And to create the HTML file, as usual, we will follow this approach. We need to click on this new file and here we need to specify that target element demo.html. After that, we will create a folder and within that we will keep the CSS file. We will give this name called CSS folder and here we will specify one file target element.css. Now let's go to the HTML file and we will generate the code with the help of snippet. So we have generated it, give it a name. In the title we will give it name contacts and here I will generate some code, then I will come back. So here I have added some dummy content. You will see here I have provided the div element which contains a header element called contact us, and within that we have some paragraph, two paragraph here p tag we have used, and these are the dummy elements. So I have copy and pasted over here, so it is going to be 2, and then we have an anchor tag which is referring to a website called Twitter, and then we have a span tag. So in the previous session we have learned about what CSS is and how it contains the selectors for targeting content in HTML document and the declaration for the styling. And these selectors comes in variety of forms and you can use these selectors in a lot of different ways, but the simplest way to do is just target the element name itself. So that's what we are going to do over here. So let me open another pane over here, and here we are going to keep the CSS, close this one, and we are going to keep the CSS over here. So here we are having two paragraphs, and what we are going to do, we are going to grab these paragraph tag and we can apply the CSS rule in a one go, and we will do this by grabbing the name of this tag, that is p tag. So let's do it now. So to do that, it is pretty much straightforward. You just write p and the selectors. So this is what you need to do the selection of all the p tag of the HTML document. So let's add some declaration over here. We will going to add font size of 14 pixel and the color would be blue. So what next? So we are having an anchor tag over here. We are going to select this one and we will apply some rules over here. So let's do it. So we will decorate it as well. So let's use the selector. So how we can do that? We can use the anchor tag and here we will specify the declaration in this rule. So we are going to use something called text decoration. So don't bother about this. We are going to cover this and here we will tell that it is going to be underlined and the color of this we are going to give it a color called green this time. To save it. So what next we have? We have another tag that is called a span. So let's target that. So to target a span, we will write a span over here and we will provide some rules and the declaration over here. So this time we are going to tell it text transform. So write it text transform and we are going to tell that we are convert it into uppercase so that all the character is being converted to the uppercase with the help of this. So now what next? Now what's remaining in the page? So we are having a h1 tag over here. So let's target that as well. So you should use h1 and here you need to specify that font size. The declaration is font size 40 pixel. It should be big little. So now we have targeted. Now what other tag remains? So we are having a div. So we will target this one and we will provide some styling over here with the help of selector and declaration. So we will write over here div. We will use the selector and here we will specify the declaration and first we will apply the width is 100% and then we will tell that background color we can tell it blue. Let it be blue or required be better. So save it. So now we have targeted p tag, anchor tag, span tag, header tag and the div tag, and you don't forget to link the style sheet into the HTML document so that it will pick the styling which is being applied over here. So that's it. We have targeted all the element with its tags and applied the styling. Now let's run it. So how to run it? You just select this page, click F1 and you will get this option and then you need to select open in browser. Click on open in browser. So see here, this is the output we got. We have applied the div tag with the width of 100% and then we told that it should be aqua color. On the same aspect, we have also applied the header tag. We have selected the header tag and we have told that it should be a 40 pixel, and this is the paragraph tag where we are telling that it should be a 14 pixel, and that is going to be blue color, and same with the hyperlink. The anchor tag, we told that it should be underlined, and the color of this anchor tag is green. And at last we have also mentioned about the span tag, and we told that all the characters should be in uppercase. So see here how we have targeted all the elements and applied the styling on it with the help of tag. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.